Good morning, 4:45. Checking the rainfall estimate from yesterday. The areas that got at least a tenth of an inch of rain were as far north as just south of Highway 2. And that includes the northern part of Trail County, the Trail Grand Forks County line, the Nelson, Griggs and Steele County line, and the Ramsey and Eddy County line stretching eastward. Again, yes, there was some light rain falling. It was less than a tenth of an inch. A little bit further south, because of the widespread, slow-moving nature of this steady, light rain, very few areas picked up significant amounts of rain over an inch, but they include eastern parts of Barnes County and just north of Lisbon there, and also southern Stutsman County, western Lemoore County. Elsewhere, again, widespread, about a quarter of an inch of rain. Rainfall from the North Dakota Ag Weather Network, 99 hundredths of an inch there to about 8 to 9 tenths there in the southern part of Barnes County into northern Ransom and over in Lemoore County. About a quarter of an inch out at Prosper. We have about a quarter of an inch here in the Valley News Live rain gauge. And again, 8 tenths at the Eckery Ranch there, about a half inch in central Richland County. And again, along and to the north of Highway 2, no rain. Precip potential, still raining this morning, could pick up half to 3/4 of an inch this morning, but then tomorrow, our computer model is picking up an isolated little thunderstorm that's going to track south and east into north central North Dakota. But over the next 2 to 3 days, clearly the worst of the weather, the heaviest of the rain is going to be from Tropical Storm Bill as it moves north and east, following the path of what has been the heavy rain event. So through the rest of the morning, this rain is going to taper off and end. Temperatures climbing slowly from the low 50s where they are now. When the sun comes out, temperatures will shoot up to the low 70s. But it might take until the middle or latter part of the afternoon before west central Minnesota gets to a mostly sunny state, or at least partly cloudy. Then overnight, here comes that next front, which will keep the temperatures in the low to mid 50s, and that will move into the northern end of the valley tomorrow morning, pass through, and again tomorrow afternoon, looking for a lot of sunshine and clearing. Friday, here comes another shot of moderate to heavy rain, the beginning of what will be an unsettled period as we move into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The arrival of summer and Father's Day means active, unsettled weather period. Well, the rain tapering off now. They had a little bit of light rain, drizzle, mist more like it, and along into the east of Highway 59 there and Highway 10, eastern parts of Becker, northeastern Otter Tail County, heading towards Park Rapids. That's where it's still raining. There's that little light thunder shower fading out in southern Minnesota. Another area of moderate to heavy rain fading out in eastern parts of Nebraska. And there is Bill moving northward into the central part of Texas now, going to drop a deluge on Dallas. And moving through Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and into Ohio, some areas of very heavy rain. Most of the western half of the U.S. is pretty quiet. It's hot and dry in the Pacific Northwest. Our wind, again, very gentle, very light, and temperatures mostly in the low 50s, upper 40s in northwestern Minnesota this morning. And the forecast is for becoming sunny today, and tomorrow mostly sunny, but an unsettled weekend ahead, especially on Friday, with potential for some very heavy rain in the Southern Valley. All right, time is 4:49. Where are the markets at? It's Wednesday. John Heinberg will give us his analysis right after the break.